Fusion is protected by a list of banned words. If anyone uses a banned word anywhere on the system, whether it's saving or sending something, they will not be able to save or send that item. And the attempt to save or send will be recorded in the banned word filter. To see the banned word filter, go to Manage, Banned Words. You can assign who the notice of a banned word goes to, and you'll see that there's a list of any instances that occur in your system. The list of banned words is here, which you can click to show. So what information is captured when somebody uses a banned word? It records who used the banned word, and if it's a message, who they were sending it to. The date and time, the word that was used, there's an indicator of the severity of the word, and where this happened on the system. It also captures their IP address, and you can click and look at the context. So I can see in this one that this was a perfectly reasonable use of the word. And in this instance, you might make a decision as a school to remove that word from the list. Similarly, if there are words that are maybe local words that you want to add to the list, you can do that by simply showing the list and typing them in. And finally, if you decide that this instance is not a problem and not something we need to keep recorded, you can just click to delete it off the list. So that's the banned word filter on Fusion.